how-tos.
Hi, my name is Xavier Art. I'm an artist with the Desire Company, and today we're going to be discussing your Crink ink for using and creating outlines on your popcorn coffee table. With this brand of ink, it's really opaque, and that's one thing that I really like about the Crink ink. What you want to do is screw your top off, and you can see you have a sponge at the top, and this sponge is to control or resist the amount of ink that comes out of your container, because as you apply it, you want to turn it upside down and you want to squeeze the sides of the bottle to control the amount of ink that comes out. Keep in mind that if your surface is beneath you and you're squeezing down, the pressure of the ink from gravity will pull out more ink versus being straight up, drawing your outlines if your design is straight up this way. But also keep in mind that gravity will make your design run, and you'll have drip lines if you're using your ink this way. So when you're squeezing your bottle and applying your ink this way, you want to make sure that you're keeping an eye out for runs. If you see it running, then you're squeezing too much. And when you're using it and you're designing your lines on your tabletop while it's down, you want to make sure that you're not squeezing too much and creating puddles. Once you're done, you put your lid back on to keep it from drying, and that's your Crink ink.